Everything that we are going to do is with LSIP. Everything that we are going to do is with LSIP. Is the language. L is the language. And the language, write down, has semantics, meaning, which is different for different people. It has syntax, which is grammar, which is different for different people. It has metaphors, it has stories, which is different for different people. And then comes the somatic mind. The somatic mind. Well, the somatic mind has the body and the breath. Then comes the inner representation. And then comes the external representation. That's the psychogeography. How do you work with the client? When the client is coming to you for the first time, when the client is coming to you, or anybody, your father is coming to you, your mother is coming to you, your children are coming to you, somebody is coming to you. When they come to you, they're saying, I am so troubled. You see, there is a body metaphor. And then there is a breath. How are they breathing when they say, I'm troubled? And how are they breathing when they say, I was so turned on yesterday? You see, two different bodies. Troubled body is different. Turned on body is different. Troubled breath is different. Turned on breath. I was scared. Oh my God, I can't tell you how scared I was. Three different body position, body. The way they arrange their body is different. The way this arrangement moves is different. The body moves with breath. And the command comes with language. The moment they use language, they begin to have something happening in the inner world. Whatever is happening in the inner world is put out in the outer world in psychogeography. And well, they're all connected. And they're all connected. I can use language to shrink the body, expand the body. That's what affirmations do. I can use the body to change your inner dialogues. That's what yoga does. I can change the breath, and just with the breath, I can change my whole concept and story. That's what Laughing Club does. I can change the physiology outside, the psychogeography. That's what exercise does. I reboot my system. And anything can be used to sort and solve and readjust anything. And that's why people say, well, that experience was therapeutic. That's right, because something changed in them. And not necessarily I can only use, or I only should use Rogerian method to reach that place, or I should use NLP to reach that place. I can use anything, because everything is going to work with the LSIP.